Unlocking English, Mastering Possessive Determiners. Hello learners! Welcome back to our series, Unlocking English. Today, we're going to delve deep into a very crucial aspect of English grammar, possessive determiners. These are words like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. They help us establish ownership or belonging, and it's essential to use them correctly for effective communication. The first step to mastering possessive determiners is understanding what they are. Possessive determiners are words that precede the noun they modify and indicate possession. They answer the question, whose? For instance, if we say, "This is my book," the word my tells us that the book belongs to the speaker. The second step is learning how to use different possessive determiners in different contexts. Remember, my, our, and your are used for first and second person respectively, regardless of gender. His and her are third person singular, and used for male and female subjects respectively. Its is used for objects or animals when we want to show possession. Their is used for third person plural, again, regardless of gender. Now that you know what each possessive determiner is used for, let's look at some examples. 1. My dog is very friendly. 2. Is this your pen? 3. She forgot her keys at home. 4. His car is faster than mine. 5. The cat licked its paws. 6. Our city is very beautiful. 7. They can't find their tickets. Each sentence uses a possessive determiner to show who owns what. Let's now practice what we have learned. Here are some multiple choice questions for you to answer. 1. Blank. Your bag is on the table. 2. I love blank your new car. 3. Did blank he's mother call? 4. They're looking for blank their dog. 5. It's not blank its fault. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap for today's lesson. We hope you now have a better understanding of possessive determiners. My, your, his, her, its, our, and their. They're small words, but they play a vital role in our everyday communication. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. Until next time, keep learning and unlocking English.